That is milk chocolatey river.
Alright, we just got in. Kinda. Alright, now we just got in.
Like a gondolier.
See how it goes. In the camera you can see how tipsy we're getting. Oh, we're barely scraping the bottom. Okay. I feel like I need to scoop back.
Get over more.
I'm trying. Let's not hit the rocks, you mean? It's pretty shallow right here. Like we're gonna hit bottom. Just hit the bottom. Oh, we're cruising. Underneath the Holbrook Bridge. I wish I knew what time it was. Like 2:30, something like that. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Got some whirlpools.
Sit in the other seat so it's too high.
Gonna sit down lower.
More topsy-turvy.
Alright, don't put us in. Okay, do we want to make bets on how many times we
Tip?
go in?
I vote none.
Okay.
How many are you gonna say?
One time. I'll allow ourselves one time, just because it's our first.
I'm gonna move my pack to the back.
Okay, here comes our first rapids.
Oh.
Okay, maybe now it's not the best time.
I'm not gonna do it. Not going to do it. If we tip over,
Here we
pack
go.
is long.
Woo!
This isn't bad.
We're good. I'll do the first video up until this next bridge thing.
Okay.
That way we could see how high the water used to be a couple days ago. As you can see, it just pushed all that sticks and stuff against that pylon over there. I think there's a big rock right there too.
Yeah, there is.
So
We gotta go to the left.
left? Alright, I could touch the bottom, so how would we turn left? Like brake on this side? Okay, go hard left. To the bank. Oh shoot! Okay.
Oh, wait, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Just let it switch.
Alright. We're backwards now, but amateur hour. We're
We're gonna flip again.
go through that. Do we want to try to flip around?
Yes.
Okay. 'Cause I could touch the bottom with my oar right here.
There we go. Flipping.
Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Hard brake. Oh, I do not want to do that again. Okay, try to stay on the left again. There's how high the water used to be. Okay. Oh yeah. So we just got past all the bridges in Holbrook, and we tipped over once. The back end came around, and the front end caught the sides and tipped us over.
On the back end.
The back of the canoe. We each lost one shoe, and I lost my hat. So
my sunglasses popped out the glass, but it remained in the canoe somehow.
Yeah. So we'll try not to do that again, but yeah, amateur hour. So, but anyways, we got a nice. Oh, let's see. So we're on a pretty calm area now. We should be safe. The river's about 18 inches deep right here. So nothing to worry about, but also not as fast as I thought it would go. That's alright, we're in no hurry.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I wonder how different it would be if the sun was out, the clouds were gone.
Probably wouldn't be as fun.
Yeah, we checked the weather before we came out here, and we waited for the rain to go to the north of us, and it should be a couple more hours before another rain cloud gets to us again. So by that time we should be in Joseph City. Cross our fingers. But looks like there's some sticks sticking out. Let's see. River's about 2 foot right here, so perfect for not feeling like it's too dangerous, I guess. But anyways. Okay, breaking news, we just found Travis's shoe. So we need to slow it down and not tip over. How are we gonna get it?
Oh, we need a break.
Okay. Try to paddle backwards and not go crooked. Good. I like this. Okay, can you look back and see your shoe?
Yeah. Keep this. I'll get my shoe back.
Okay. We're about to get Travis's shoe. Turn this around. I don't know if you can see us, but I'll try to break.
Still.
Okay, break. Okay, it's on your right. Now it's on your left. Woohoo! So we found Travis's shoe. Alrighty.
I'd hand it to you, but then we're tipping. So, what side of these branches do we want to go? Left or right?
Oh shoot. We try to stay towards the middle of the stream. So
kind of to the right?
Left of the big branch over there.
Yeah, a little
and
tree, scraggly tree. Right
of the little bushes that are in the... Let's see how deep it is right here. It's about 3 foot deep right now. Kind of cool. Be interesting to see if this water would erode and make one of these trees fall down into the river.
That's close to making that one fall.
Yeah. Just get over this way a hair. I'm just going to ignore that lightning that was over there. Oh yeah, this tree's already like in the water.
Yeah.
Is that my shoe? No.
That would have been awesome.
It's just a branch.
That tree fell in.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like that, all those roots are...
Yeah.
I almost wish I had the camera on my hand, but... Maybe I'll do that later. Back to another calm part of the river. We just hit a 90-degree bend and it got kind of sketchy back there, but we figured it out. I'm almost afraid to record the sketchy parts. I guess that would be more exciting than just the calm parts of the river, but right now the river's about 3 foot deep again. Back there at that bend it was closer to 5 probably. So. Except we're coming up on an area that had some
washed out
fire come through here, it looks like. A bunch of these tamaracks are charred. Washed out. So I don't know how long we've been in the water, but we're still not even out of Holbrook yet. Up here after this bend, you might be able to see the I-40, the trucks up there. I didn't realize the river was that close to the freeway, but this is sketchy. Yeah, we got some bushes right here, but it's still deep enough to be okay.
Bushes are better than a sandbar.
And big old rock, that's true. But still pretty nice weather, no wind. Got some nice, the sun's not beating down on us even though it's the end of July. So if you look really close up in the distance, you might be able to see the trucks up on I-40. About 3 feet deep again. But it's still about 5 feet less than what it was a few days ago. We're getting into some choppy sections, so this might be exciting, might be embarrassing. Woo! Yeah, it's still only about 3 foot deep right there, but that's as choppy as it's been. Isn't bad. So right now we're looking north, right at the I think that's the radio tower on the west side of Holbrook. So we have not gone far, at least not the way the crow flies anyways. But still pretty fun though. I've never heard of anybody doing this trip by canoe or anything, so that's kind of what spawned this whole adventure. So we'll see how it goes. Really fun so far, just taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. So as long as my wife forgives me, we'll be alright. There's some kind of waterfalls up here. So there's been about a dozen of those so far. I just haven't been able to catch them just yet. up here. You can see it. I'm a bad cameraman. Kind of fun. So we thought to stay in the rapids or else bottom out. And I guess we'll go a little faster too, but so we're at the dam. We're just going to try to kind of walk the canoe in. We're on the bank right now, just staying as far away from the dam as we can. Water's about waist deep right now. Maybe we could walk on the other side of the canoe. It's a beach. But yeah, I didn't realize there'd be so many fishes on this side. So we made it to the dam. It's kind of sketchy getting out so close to the waterfall, but we were able to do it. Let me turn this camera around and I'm going to show you this cool spot. So about right there is where we got out, walked along the backside here and parked the canoe up on the road. So our plan was to go all the way that way. Right there's the power plant at Joe City, but it's about 5 o'clock right now, so we're going to call it a day. My cousin's going to drive out here and pick us up, so that's cool of them. It'll give you a better view of the Joseph City Pioneer Dam. Here. All right, is here. They got here about 20 minutes faster I thought they would, so I guess that's it for our journey. I'll give you one more shot of the waterfalls out here. So we didn't quite make it as far as I thought we would, but kind of got a late start today and water was a little slower than I thought it would be, so we'll try it again another day. Maybe we'll go from here all the way to Joe City. So